Hey everyone! I would love to share an activity that we often do in the classroom that the kids absolutely love and that you guys can do at home. So I'm going to be showing you two versions of a matching puzzle. The first one is a silhouette or a shadow puzzle, and the second one is a Play-Doh puzzle. For the silhouette puzzle, you just need a writing utensil and some paper. And the second one, you just need Play-Doh. Not a sponsor. For my silhouette puzzle, I chose a food theme. I have 6 items here. And you can have the kids count them out, or they can name familiar shapes. And they can even name their favorite ones. Here's my Play-Doh puzzle, and I used yellow items. You can stick to basic shapes or familiar shapes, or you can use animals, or if you have puzzle pieces or toy cars. Another thing you can do with the Play-Doh is if you have letter magnets, they can practice spelling their name.